The Petoi Bittle X Robotics Kit is an innovative and educational tool that allows users to build a programmable robot dog in about 60 minutes, making it an engaging project for both teens and adults. Equipped with servo feedback, this robot dog can be precisely controlled through an app, voice commands, or programming, offering a versatile and interactive experience. With the ability to perform over 35 lifelike tricks, including sitting, walking, and backflipping, the robot dog can be customized with up to 10 voice commands via C++ for a smart pet robot experience. The kit serves as an excellent educational resource for learning robotics, allowing users to start with block coding before advancing to Arduino C++ and Python, enhancing real-world robotics education. Optional sensors enable the robotic dog to see, hear, and sense its surroundings, while feedback servos improve navigation and enable realistic dog-like behaviors, enhancing the AI component. Powered by OpenCat, the open-source nature of this kit encourages creativity and customization, providing free robotics curriculums and tools for endless robotic projects.